got the door mounted. I got the lines pretty much the way I want it. The door has already had some work done to it in the past. You can see right there it's been welded, and this edge is not perfectly contoured, so this door has been repaired before. That's about as good as it's gonna get on all the gaps. Pretty much straight here, except there's like a bit of a bow just in the middle, but there's nothing I can do about that. This little bend in the rain trough that I did with the crane, I'll dolly that out and fix it. That's not a big deal. The rest of the gap here looks good. It's a little wide on the back edge here, but it can't get any better because, well, the door seam is pretty much as good as I can get it. Now, where I'm at is trying to install this rocker panel. As you can see, it's a little out. The door is basically, like, the gap is pretty much good from binding on the rocker just a little bit because, well, I just put it in there with screws for now. It's only in temporarily. So right now, I got to get this gap that is here, basically the same all the way down. And then as well as, so it's not too bad as far as evenness goes on the door. You just got to play with this corner. I feel like this door has been tweaked outwards at some point because everything up this way is all flush, but then this corner kind of sticks out a bit. Well, and then my new cab corner as well. So there's a bunch of playing that needs to happen in this area here to make it mint. But progress. Dry fitted. Just held in with a screw right there. 2 more screws right there. So yeah, just gonna move this thing around and trim it and adjust it, and I might have to do a little bit of polishing and massaging on the bottom corner of the door, I think. Pretty much even. As close as it's gonna get.